Jason. And he's cock hunting.
Come on, Shaka Khan. Like you did in Africa. Wait, the other net's better because it's shorter, but it's bigger.
I know, but I gave it to some kid because he had to get his too, man.
Damn.
Just do it with that. You still can do it.
You gotta hop on your stomach and get him. Come on, there's shit here. So? Ah! Oh, fuck. Get the chicken. You got him.
Oh, dude, he's gonna get mad
Oh, shit.
and attack you. Dang! What the fuck?
Hey, he's humping it. Oh, it's like he's mine. Hey, I got soup going on. Hey, you had some eggs this morning.
Get it again!
Hey, dude. You mind getting that?
All right, Jason just try to like cock hunt, but the
chicken
dude,
got in my way. Oh
yeah,
shit! The
and
chicken
then he had his game on. Go on,
Yeah,
Dad.
can you throw that away, please? Thank you, son. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And then this is Jaime. Nigga, he gonna have a cock hunt. And then he's gonna cockfight with this cock.
Right here. Cock. Gonna get some batting practice.
Alright, where's the net at? Where's the net at?
Oh, it's like way over there.
All right.
Like getting it. Oh, we're gonna catch him by hand.
Alright,
And
this is,
you bury that fool.
what is your native name?
Oh, you hurt me, bitch. No, I'm gonna kick you. Hey, the chicken's pretty. Damn, I was gonna get that stick.
Are you gonna use the net?
Man, they ain't got shit on me. Alright, nice shooting, boy.
Hey, don't get the chicken first. I mean, don't get the rooster. Get the chicken. Come on. You get hurt.